Ioan, you must have thought you'd had that in the bag at the end.
Yeah, it was a tough one to take that one. I think we felt we'd managed it well through the game. Just a couple individual things. You know, we're a young side. It's a big learning for us. We've got to learn fast. But yeah, a couple of little things, little errors at the end just cost us in the end.
What's the feeling in the dressing room now? How disappointed is it then?
Very disappointed. I think there's positives will come through, but we probably won't see them until Monday. I think it's going to be a bit of a dark weekend now, but hopefully we learn from that, and obviously tough fixture next weekend to try and bounce back.
First 73 minutes, you were 23-14 up. You had kicked 13 points, a couple of tries. You must have been quite happy with how it had gone.
Personally, to be honest, we lost.
I meant the team.
The first 73 minutes, definitely. I think we will be happy with that. But there were a couple of things in that led to the last 10 minutes, and obviously discipline, individual errors. There's a couple of drop balls. No one in particular. I think it's a team thing, but ended up costing us.
Personally, full start at 10. It's been probably first time in senior rugby you've had that sort of run. How are you enjoying it?
Yeah, loving it. It feels like a new challenge. Obviously, it's revisiting something that I used to only do. But I'm enjoying being back there and enjoying the challenge. Obviously, there's a lot of things to learn, but I'm learning as I go, and hopefully this will make me a better player now.
There's a lot of history in the Scarlets number 10 jersey as well, isn't there?
Yeah, massive. Obviously, big boots to fill, but hopefully I can do it proud.